Does charging your Dyson Airwrap feel more like a shocking science experiment gone wrong? If this just happened to your Dyson, stop using it immediately. That spark is not a minor glitch. It's a critical warning of a dangerous internal wiring issue that could put you and your home at risk. The constant twisting from normal use had worn down the internal wiring, causing a hazardous short circuit. It's a common flaw, but the consequences can be severe. Ignoring this won't just ruin your hair routine, it's a potential safety hazard that can permanently damage your expensive styler. But don't panic, and definitely don't throw it out. You've come to the right place. At Robocare, this exact wiring issue is one of the most common repairs our certified technicians handle. We're not guessing. We know the Dyson Airwrap inside and out, from its complex digital motor to the sensitive electronics within the handle. We've successfully repaired hundreds of them. Using specialized diagnostic equipment, we precisely identify the point of failure within the cord's internal assembly. Our solution isn't a temporary fix. We carefully disassemble the unit and replace the entire faulty wiring loop with a genuine component. This ensures your Airwrap is not just working again, but is fundamentally safe to use for years to come. But talk is cheap. Let's get to the results. And after a Robocare repair, this Dyson is back to its powerful, reliable best. That's the Robocare difference. Got a sparking Airwrap or any other issue? Visit our website or call us to book your professional repair today. Choose our convenient courier service or visit us in person.